Robert Kraft appeared on Good Morning America Wednesday morning with Michael Strahan to talk about all things Patriots and Super Bowl 53. Strahan asked the Pats owner to comment on the missed pass interference call in the NFC Championship game, and Kraft responded with, quote, "We have one more game left. I love the refs." Kraft then reflected on his 25-year tenure as the head of the franchise and spoke about how Tom Brady has been like a son to him throughout the past 19 years. The interview ended with Kraft handing Strahan an AFC Championship hat, saying the former Giants All-Pro was, quote, lacking some championship gear.